Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming iOS is up to date and Bluetooth is on. This lets the phone resolve the device once the code is read. Next, open the camera app and point steadily at the Bluetooth QR code. Hold about 1/2 to 1 foot away so the code fills the frame. Once the camera recognizes the code, you'll see a notification or banner. Tap it to reveal the connect action. Make sure location isn't blocking BLE discovery if the banner fails to appear. Once the camera banner appears, tap it and the QR action card will open. This contains the Bluetooth payload and advertised device name. You select the device listed and the system will start pairing. If a PIN or confirmation appears, match it with the device label. Because BLE pairing can request permissions, grant those prompts so the accessory can communicate. If the accessory uses a companion app, the card may suggest opening that app. Follow it only if asked to complete setup or advanced configuration. Finish by confirming the accessory shows as connected in Settings Bluetooth. This verifies service discovery and data exchange. If pairing stalls, make sure the accessory is awake, then restart Bluetooth or the camera app. Toggling airplane mode briefly can clear radio conflicts. If problems persist, remove previous pairings on the accessory or iPhone, power cycle the device, and try scanning again. This resets cached identifiers and often resolves stubborn BLE pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.